gonna drive it, buddy? Gotta turn the wheel and push the gas.
Push the gas.
Oh.
Okay, go forward.
Change it to forward.
Stop. Push it forward. Okay, now go. Okay.
You gotta turn it.
Stop. Turn the wheel. Yep, turn the wheel that way. Okay. Go backwards. Stop. Good boy. Okay, you're gonna have to go backwards now. Okay, now hit the wheel. Hit the gas.
You gonna drive more?
Hey, turn the radio on. Play some music.
Can you find some good jams? You want to build a jump?
No.
Yeah, we'll build a good jump.
Your truck needs a ramp? Nah, I don't think so.
You got any jumps for your truck? Can you do a donut? Or a wheelie? Yeah, you do some truck wheelies? Are you done driving?
You put your truck away? All done? No.
We'll drive.
Yeah, you gotta drive it.
Here, turn the wheel.
It easily could be happening, given the way our elections are run.
Okay.
And we
Go forward.
here, the place where the surge has been the most intense for voter fraud was North Carolina.
You want to go backwards?
And this time, so really at moments when they thought they had found proof of organized
Mostly
fraud.
just want to eat your cookie.